I'm going to show you how to create the drop stitch pattern, the bottom of the orchid vest. This is much thicker yarn than you're using. It's just a sample I had lying around, so I'll show you on this. The pattern calls for 4 rows of purl 2, knit 1 stitches. And then the 5th row is when you drop those knit stitches. So I'm already almost finished this row. So I'm just going to show you here. First, I've got these 2 purls. And then I've got my knit stitch here, which we're going to drop. Just pull it off the needle and drop it down 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you've got this loop. You just place them all on the needle. And then you're going to knit through that bottom loop, picking up all of those drop stitches behind it and knit them all together. And it creates this lovely little waterfall effect. So one more time, purl 2, and then we've got this knit row. So drop it off the needle, drop it down 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, getting stuck, 4. There's your loop. So I just put my finger through this bottom loop and pick them all up, placing them on to my left hand needle, and then I just knit like I normally would, but I'm actually knitting them all together, and that creates that lovely, what I'm calling orchid pattern.